We have a true documented 1968 Camaro Super Sport from California. And I know this to be true because we have the Protecto plate and we have a copy of this invoice here. It says Super Sport right on it. All sorts of good stuff, all sorts of good documentation. We've got a pile of receipts. You can go to volocars.com and check out pictures and description and prices on all of the cars we have for sale, along with a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The car was born a 350 with 295 horsepower. Well, now it's got a 383 stroker pushing 400 horsepower. Let's check out the body. Being a California car, I'm expecting it's going to be pretty nice. So this all looks really nice. There is a hairline crack right on the peak of the hood right here, just a short little hairline. This is all straight though. It fits nice, it's straight, all clean along the bottom. The door lines up beautifully. The roof is straight. Coming down here, a lot of times we have issues. This all looks really good. You can close the door, see how that is. Shuts real nice. It's all nice and clean. It has spoilers, straight, lines up nice. No issues with the body at all, really. That door shuts real nice too. All clean, except for went through a little, it's wet out there right now. I forgot to wipe it down. There's some water spots. But this is all nice, clean. There are some chips right on the edge of the door right here. This is all clean and fits real nice. Hood sticks up just a hair. It is the SS hood. The ice cube trays look like they're new. They're nice and shiny. It's originally butternut yellow. It's a pale yellow. They've repainted it in a more exciting Daytona yellow. So the front end, bumper is new. It's got a front spoiler, the grille, and all the trim. That all looks to be in very nice shape. Windshield, I'm sure, is replaced. It's crystal clear. The moldings were replaced. Two tiny dimples, small ones. This is all shiny and nice. Door handle looks new. Bow tie mirror looks new. The emblems are sparkling. Marker lights look new. Even the back glass has been replaced. The window fuzzies and the weather strips have been replaced. I think they replaced all the glass. We'll roll up the other windows too, but that's really clear window. Now the back's coming around. We got the SS cap, new taillights, bumper. All that looks to be really sharp. It's sitting on some polished torque thrust wheels. They look brand new. They were more recently added. In the picture, it has rally wheels. So in back, yeah, they're polished really nicely. And they got some performance tires. They're 17-inch wheels, Nitto tires. You can tell they're wider in the back than they are in the front. Same Nitto performance tires, and the wheel is still a 17. It's just not as wide and has a smaller tire. Now let's open it up. Let's see what the inside looks like. I just looked down and thought, boy, this would brighten any cloudy day. It's a bright yellow paint. Looks good. It's slick. And it's slick underneath the trunk lid. This is all smooth and shiny, and the jamb is slick. Weather strips replaced. Inside the trunk compartment, solid metal with the gray spatter finish. It's got the plaid mat, the rubber mat. You can see it's won some trophies. It has a little donut for a spare. And the battery's been relocated to the trunk, and there is a master disconnect switch right here as well. Yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so you're notified when the new videos are posted. We also have Buy It Now button with each car on our website. If you see something you really like, hit the button and get it locked in for yourself before someone beats you to it. Jambs are painted nicely. Weather strips are replaced. It has the deluxe molded door panels. They're in good shape. This one's got a little break right on the very edge of it, but it's very nice shape. Dash area looks to be really good. The pad's nice, the vents, the knobs. It is upgraded with some Autometer gauges. I'm going to turn it on real quick and show you the odometer. Oh, I disconnected the battery. It's only got about 1,500 miles on the car since it was built. This looks like it's been replaced. And then we got a retro stereo. The gauges all match each other. They're all the same color Pro Comp. It has a B&M ratchet shifter mounted in a stock console. Carpets are real nice. Then we have these Sport Pro Car seats. They really hold you in place when you're going around the corners. It's going to lock you in, along with these retractable shoulder belts that were added. Okay, the back seat was reupholstered to match the front seats with the same type of stitching. Side panels and window cranks look new. Headliner looks like it's been replaced. It's in an upgraded vinyl, a little thicker vinyl from what the original was. Visors look new. The mirror's new. It's a nice feeling cushion grip wheel. Probably not the one I would choose, but it's an easy fix. Yeah, overall, very nice interior. So this is a 383 stroker motor. So it's got a little hotter cam. It does have some aluminum heads. Has an aluminum intake with a dual feed Holley carburetor. It's got a performance distributor, HEI distributor in back, long tube coated headers. I would imagine that's the shop that built the engine, American Speed. Modern AC and heat system with some billet bracket. The radiator looks like it's a bigger radiator, looks new. It's got the shroud and the fan. Got billet bracket over here. You got power steering hiding down there. It has power brakes with a cadmium plated booster. The wiring all looks clean. The engine bay is painted up real nicely. So yeah, it looks good in here.
So we're taking the yellow 67 Camaro SS around the block. First impression, it's a really nicely put together car. Everything's really well done. You can tell it was a quality build. Drives nice and firm. She's a looker, that's for sure. Suspension's real nice on this, actually. It's got a little bit of a more firm of a ride, but it's not too bad. The bucket seats are comfy. Roll the window up. She's a loud one. Steering's nice and tight. There's no vibrations or any weird shakes I'm feeling. Power brakes are really nice. Some power steering. We got the heat on, that's working. Turn signal lights up. It's kind of hard to see. There's a little light underneath or above the tachometer there. Well, we're gonna put her in fun mode. B&M ratchet shifter. Let's see what she's got. Not too bad. I wasn't even fully stepping on it, guys, but this thing shifts like a breeze. It sounds really good. Drives nice and straight, true down the road. Right into fourth. Nice trans, nice shifters. So, very nice car. Horn works on it. Try the stereo. I hear it beeping. I think it works. Here, let's try to find a station here. There you go. Yeah, just a very quality build overall. All the gauges are working. The 4-pack down here. There's the trans temp under the dash. Tachometer's working. Speedometer. The mileage is going up. Let's try the wipers. Wipers work great. I think those are definitely aftermarket kit. Yeah, that's nice. They work really smoothly. Just got to stop them at the right point. This thing's fun. You'll have a blast driving it. This is very, very well put together car. I did try the parking brake when we were sitting in our parking lot. That's hooked up. That works real nicely. It releases perfectly fine. So overall, it's a very solid build.
Well, hopefully you enjoyed the test drive that Caleb just took you on. Underneath the car is done really well too. The suspension and steering's been all rebuilt. It has a nice sounding Flowmaster exhaust system with a crossover pipe. It has a 200 R4 that's an overdrive automatic that's been built up. And back it has a 12 bolt with 373 gears in it. I believe this one has air shocks in the back as well. The fuel system's been replaced, including the line and the tank. Parking brake is hooked up. Has the bare disc brakes in front, drilled and slotted rotors with the billet caliper. It says Bear right on it. Hotchkiss rear sway bar along with the air shocks in the back. So yeah, a lot of good stuff underneath, and it's completely solid and clean, and you can tell it's been rebuilt. Go to volocars.com. The salesmen are there ready to help you, answer questions about financing, how to get it delivered to your door. That's at volocars.com. And then make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.